30 moments, this crocodile is doomed. Rare animal fighting with crocodile recorded on camera. Professional movements of biting, tearing, and crushing the prey. Welcome to today's shocking crocodile footage. For most animals, the crocodile is truly a monster. The force of a crocodile's bite is equivalent to the power of a Bugatti engine, stronger than a motorbike. Appears suddenly, grabs the prey with terrible jaws and drags it into the water. Reptiles with huge mouths are eating pork. But sometimes the crocodile encounters such strong resistance that it becomes an object of pity and becomes food for jaguar right in its homeland. Or how he recklessly attacked a herd of lions alone, then was brutally beaten right on the field. But it seems attacking lions is a bad idea. Their flexibility, speed, and teamwork allow them to fight successfully. Even a zebra can turn this predator into a pitiful predator in a matter of seconds. There's plenty of evidence of crocodiles attacking lions while they drink water and cross rivers. Cheetahs are really good prey for crocodiles, and this is a movie you should not miss at all. Will you choose lion or crocodile? This is an unequal battle. A reptile with a huge mouth can weigh twice as much and be many times stronger than a lion. But the reckless behavior of sunbathing on the steppe and being surrounded and harassed by 20 lions. They will be able to fight against this giant lizard. This lion simply chased the crocodile into the water. If the pack leader was not surprised, they would be able to fight this giant lizard. You can see the panic in this male lion's eyes when suddenly attacked by a crocodile. Even this reptilian beast does not want to be defeated by the powerful paws of a lion. Crocodiles are so hungry that they enjoy courting large flocks of lions to beg for food. Crocodiles are often on the list of 5 animals that jaguars like to hunt. Crocodiles often lie in wait to attack from the water, but jaguar is an extremely good hunter. It did not flee to shore but started fighting right in the familiar environment of its opponent. Other leopards, such as leopards, can also hunt crocodiles. Did the intense interaction between 2 high-class predators in the wild impress you? Please leave your opinion in the comments section below. And An unfortunate giant was caught alive when he disregarded the terrible power of the giant jaws that dominated this giant creature. The terrifying scene of wildebeest and crocodiles is showing us a fiery fight when they accidentally fall into their sights. The prey struggles violently while the crocodile bites the prey with the sound of rain that takes its life. An antelope is swimming across the river. It dances like a dolphin. Behind it are hundreds of crocodiles chasing it. The crocodile swims at a very fast speed, and the missile hits the antelope, causing it to struggle and run faster. In the end, it still could not escape death. Among the crocodile's favorite foods that cannot be missed is the giant wildebeest. The crocodile's jaws terrorized the lives of the unfortunate victims, who were quickly pulled into the water. Thirst made them fearless and daring to drink water. And so the carnage continued. Wild dance of running away from crocodiles that are stalking their prey. That was the most impressive three-way chase match on screen, recorded close-up by the camera. Crocodiles hunt isolated antelopes, and hippos also claim a share in this war. In this special case, who do you think is the predator, the crocodile attacking the electric eel? Cunningly lurking underwater, crocodiles enjoy attacking elephants. Crocodiles are always excited by pieces of meat moving on land, and the wild buffalo engrossed in drinking water is no exception. I love watching the power of giant jaws crushing the body of a wildebeest. The next episode will be the most horrifying animal attack on screen. The bites that bring death and pain will leave an impression on you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch these fascinating videos. Hello and see you again.
Thank you so much for watching this video and supporting us. I hope that this video is attractive and meaningful to you. I will try my very best to make better videos for you every day. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and don't turn off the computer, because let's discover more with us.
I'm gonna shine bright like a million stars in the sky. I'm gonna spread my wings and learn how to fly. So be falling for me, no I'm not that easy. I'm bling bling shining like a star, baby that's me icy. I'm the diamond in the rough, baby can't you see? I'm the one they talk about, the one they wanna be. I'm gonna shine bright like a million stars in the sky. I'm gonna spread my wings and learn how to fly. I shine like a diamond, ain't nobody gonna dim my light. I'm sparkling, glowing, catching everyone's eye. I'm the one they envy, they wish they could be me. So watch me as I rise, I'm the star they wanna see. Ooh yeah. In the darkness I found my light. Through the struggles I learned to fight. I've been knocked down but I won't stay on the ground. I'll rise above, I won't be confined. I'm gonna shine bright like a million stars in the sky. I'm gonna spread my wings and learn how to fly. I shine like a diamond, ain't nobody gonna dim my light. And sparkling glowing, catching everyone's eye. I'm the one they envy, they wish they could be me. So watch me as I rise, I'm the star they wanna see. Oh yeah. The nights I used to stare at the moon, wishing on falling stars for a chance to bloom. Now the time has come to embrace the light. This is my moment, taking flight. I'm gonna shine bright like a million stars. I'm gonna shine bright like a million stars. Soaring through the heavens, reaching for a white heart.